Hello students, welcome to the computer class. Today we are going to start with chapter 5 using the computer mouse part 2. So let's begin. For a right-handed user, place your palm lightly on the mouse. Put your thumb on the left side of the mouse. Put your index finger on the left mouse button. Put your middle finger on the right mouse button. Children, you have to place your palm lightly on the mouse. अपने palm को आप mouse के ऊपर lightly place करना है. Then put your thumb on the left side of the mouse. You have to put your thumb on the left side of the mouse, children. And put your index finger on the left mouse button. जो index finger होता है उसे left mouse button पे रखना है. And last one, put your middle finger on the right mouse button. जो hand का middle finger होता है उसे right mouse button पे रखना है, like this. For a left-handed user. First, you have to place your palm lightly on the mouse. आपको आपका palm mouse पे lightly place करना है. Put your thumb on the right side of the mouse. You have to keep your thumb on the right side of the mouse. आपका जो thumb होता है वो mouse के right side होना चाहिए. Put your index finger on the right mouse button. You have to put your index finger on the right mouse button. आपका जो index finger होता है उसे right mouse button पे रखना है. Put your middle finger on the left mouse button. You have to keep your middle finger on the left mouse button, children. जो आपका middle finger होता है उसे left mouse button पे रखना है, as shown in the figure. Let us know about the mouse pointer. Look at the monitor screen. A small arrow is seen on it. It is called a mouse pointer. Look at this figure, children. This is the monitor screen. You can see a small arrow on it. This is the small arrow. It is called a mouse pointer. इसे mouse pointer कहते हैं. As you move the mouse on the mouse pad, the mouse pointer moves on the monitor screen in the same direction. जब आप माउस को माउस पैड पे मूव करते हैं, द माउस पॉइंटर मूव्स ऑन द मॉनिटर स्क्रीन. जब माउस पॉइंटर होता है वो मॉनिटर स्क्रीन पे मूव होता है ऑन द सेम डायरेक्शन. Children, let us know some note. Left click is done with the index finger of the hand and right click is done with the middle finger of the hand. Left click index finger की हेल्प से किया जाता है and right click middle finger की हेल्प से किया जाता है. Monitor. Monitor display the text and images on the screen. What is the work of monitor? Monitor क्या display करता है? Text and images screen पे display करता है. Let us know about mouse. Mouse is used to move the mouse pointer on the monitor screen. Mouse का use मॉनिटर स्क्रीन पे माउस पॉइंटर को मूव करने के लिए किया जाता है. Let us know about the mouse pad. Mouse pad is a plain surface on which a computer mouse is placed and moved. माउस पैड एक प्लेन सरफेस होता है जिस पे माउस को रखा जाता है एंड मूव किया जाता है. इट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे. वी विल कंटिन्यू द सेम टॉपिक in the next video. Till then, bye bye.